In this video, I'm going to show you how to get private key from Axiom Pro. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Axiom Pro like you normally would. Then please go to the top menu and press over here where it says Portfolio. Now, please go ahead and select on the account that you would like to utilize. And what you want to do is you want to press on this key button right over here. And that is going to export the private key. But before you do that, there are a few things that I want to know. First and foremost, do not screen share or do not show this to anybody else. If someone is asking you to do this process while screen sharing, that is a huge red flag and you should always proceed with caution. So before it actually does give you your private key, of course, you're going to need to connect using Phantom Wallet. So please go ahead and select on that. All right, so you need to go ahead and sign in. Then it is going to verify it for you. So that includes like entering in your password and stuff like that. And then once again, you're able to go ahead and press on this reveal private key button right over here. And that is going to show your private key. So again, you always want to be careful whenever you're working with this type of stuff, guys. Make sure that you're 1000% safe. And that's how you're able to go ahead and do it. It's also going to let you know the address that corresponds to the private key right on top of it right over here. So again, just be careful whenever you're using crypto. You really don't want things to mess up, especially if you're someone who invests in crypto a lot or you're just a beginner. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.